Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Crafts and Creativity. And today, oh my gosh, she's on Zoom with me right now. But what I'm gonna be doing today is like one of the most simple crafts. I know this may be disgusting. I'm like holding like a sock literally right in front of your guys' faces. But I'm really sad to say this is the cleanest one I could find. But we are going to be cutting that part off. And all you need for this craft is a sock. And I'm sacrificing this sock, so you better make this video go viral. So okay, so I'm gonna this sock and then these scissors. That's it. That's literally all you need. So let's get to it. The first thing you're gonna be doing is right there at that line, which I did not make. You're going to cut just like that. So you might sorry I didn't tell you guys what I'm gonna be making, and I'm not going to just yet because I think you might have an idea because of this craft is pretty popular, I guess.
Surprise!
So what you're gonna do now is you're just gonna cut little half circles right there along where the shoulders are gonna be. So just like that. So I'm just gonna do that. All right, just like this, you're gonna cut little half circles, just like that, for the shoulders. And so I just did that. And so I'm just gonna go get a doll for our model and show you what she looks like in this. And yes, it is that. All right, so I got her for our model. She's an old princess doll. She's supposed to be Belle, and that's her dress right there. But she's an old doll that I've had since I was like really young, and I just recently found her, but we're gonna use her for the model. She's not the best model, but she's gonna have to do. So that's pretty good height, so I'm just gonna like that. And you can put it like this, or you can put the shoulders down for like a cuter look, I guess. Just like that. Or you can not do
also color it.
Yeah, you could also color it. I don't think that would make a good texture that much, but you can do that. So this is how it looks on her. I think it's really cool. And it's not too plain because it has like some like design right there you see from like the sock itself. And yeah, well, thank you for being our model, Belle. You're welcome here. Okay, that was funny. Okay, so now I'm just yeah, that was it for today's video. And
no,
I hope
she promised me the park video.
Oh my gosh, I promise I'm gonna do that next, you guys. I'm gonna do the Moss Park video. And if you didn't already see the video while I said I was gonna do that, like eventually the it was featuring Slike Horse June. It was featuring Slike Horse June, who is right there on Zoom. My computer. And then so yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and have a good time, and make sure to subscribe to Slike Horse June. And I recently made a new channel. Yes. It's called Queen of Skate. Yes. I'll put the link in the description below, and please subscribe to that channel too. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. A very simple craft that you can do in but you have to sacrifice a sock. And you guys can get creative with the dirty half. I mean, I'm not gonna use that because I mean it's the dirty half, so why use it? But you guys can tell me what you did for using this down in the comments below if you did use that dirty part. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and have a good time. Goodbye.